Good afternoon, everyone. It's Justin over at ReadyCare. And as we're starting to see more and more facilities reopen, we wanted to take a quick moment to put together a tutorial on how to ensure that your product dispensers are ready for your returning members. Now, normally we would actually say that it's a good idea to replace your bottles and pump tops over time. That said, adding in a thorough cleaning will always help to extend the life of your units. So if you've had your dispensers filled while closed, or if it's simply been a while since your last cleaning, we're going to want to make sure that we've cleaned out all of the excess product thoroughly before we do or attempt any refills. Now, to do this, we're going to use a clean basin or a wash bin to make sure we're soaking our bottles and our pump tops in warm water with a little mild soap. You want to let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Now keep in mind that during this process, we want to stay away from any harsh chemicals, as really, once again, mild soap will do just fine. Now that we've thoroughly cleaned our bottles and soaked our pump tops, we'll want to make sure that we're running clean, warm water through our pumps until we make sure that any excess product and foam is all the way evacuated. To do this, we're going to run, once again, warm water through our pumps, just making sure that the water itself is fully clean before we go ahead and put it off to allow it to fully dry before reusing. Thank you as always for taking the time to watch this video, and if there are any questions or if there's anything else we can be of service on, please reach out to your ReadyCare representative, as we're always happy to be of service.